Building a Shopify store yourself can take days or even weeks. One small design mistake can hurt your brand, lower trust, and cost you valuable sales. The good news? Professional Shopify designers on Fiverr can build a beautiful, high-converting online store that's customized for your business and your goals. Get a responsive design, fast-loading pages, mobile optimization, branded layouts, product setup, and a shopping experience that encourages customers to buy.
On Fiverr, you can compare experienced Shopify experts, read verified customer reviews, choose a package that fits your budget, and get your store delivered quickly. On Fiverr, you can compare experienced Shopify experts, read verified customer reviews, choose a package that fits your budget, and get your store delivered quickly.
Don't let a poor website hold your business back. Click the link in the description, hire a trusted Shopify website designer on Fiverr today, and start turning visitors into loyal customers.